My name is Konstantinos Petridis. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Electronic Engineering of Technological Education Institute of Crete, and I am the coordinator of the iTEM project. iTEM is the acronym of the words Innovative Teaching, Education and Mathematics, and as a main motivation of the project is to introduce to the students mathematics in a different way. We would like to link mathematics with daily life problems in order to convince them that mathematics is an essential tool for their success independent of their discipline. How are we going to do it? We are going to organize intensive courses for teachers and students in order to give them some hints how to learn mathematics or how to teach mathematics in a more efficient way. We are going to introduce ICT tools for teaching and assessment purposes, and in general we are going to convince students that they are not alone during their during their learning period regarding mathematics. The template will be, we are going to test all our teaching methods using as an example linear algebra and calculus 1. These are two first year mathematical courses, so we believe that we are going to provide all the essentials and all the fundamentals in order to be successful during their studies.
My name is Rodrigo Trujillo. I am professor at the University of La Laguna in Tenerife, Canary Islands, Spain.
I'm Yannis Kaliakatsos, emeritus professor here in TI of Crete, the Department of Electronics Engineering.
My name is Laura Partel. I'm from Hadassah Academic College in Jerusalem, in Israel.
My name is Nissim Harel. I'm from Holon Institute of Technology in Israel.
My name is Evetlina Filou and I'm assistant professor at Aalborg University in Copenhagen.
My name is Muzaffer Shoina and I'm representing the University of Mitrovica here, and I'm an assistant professor of computer science subject.
My name is Renate Nanchev and I'm from Austria, from the University UMIT. It's called UMIT, it's in Tyrol, and I worked as a research assistant in the field of medical informatics.
My name is Armand Berisha and I represent Universum College, where I work at the international office.
My name is Ivan Chorbev and I'm an associate professor at the Faculty for Computer Science and Engineering at the St. Cyril and Methodius University in the Republic of North Macedonia.
I'm Nargiza Usmanova from Tashkent University of Information Technology. I am associate professor at the Telecommunications Technology faculty.
I'm Adrian Montan, a professor for mathematics in Karlstad University in Sweden.
It's a strong motivation for us to be involved in this project as a mathematician and also as member of the university, because this is the opportunity to improve the quality of teaching and share with many of our partners the experience and the knowledge that we have concerning good teaching and innovation in teaching. Our role in the project will be as advisor on use of ICTs in the classroom. This is a major challenge for all the mathematicians and also for teachers addressing the 21st century challenge that are on our classroom and our students are demanding.
My duties now is to have the international credit mobility project as a coordinator of this for my institution. Okay, my role in this project is very small. Just I try to help in dissemination process. But I think that the impact of this project to my institution would be great.
Participation is that we have Hadassah students from very various backgrounds with different learning culture. It's very important that we find a unifying way of letting them also persuading them of the relevance of mathematics for the studies in computer science. Our role would be, besides providing material for the development phase as already passed, will also be a testing place of pilots
It's very difficult to introduce changes into curricula in Israel and in general, because it's a lot of effort. First of all, it's a lot of effort, and secondly, you have a lot of objections within the institution to change something that seems to be already working. We thought that it would be a very good idea to first of all spell out what we want to do, and secondly have a backing first of all of the Erasmus capacity building, and secondly of so many institutions that are participating in this kind of project, so that we'll be able to succeed.
Our motivation for participating in the iTEM project was to see how problem-based learning, which is our philosophy at Aalborg University, could be applied in local contexts and in very different institutions and subjects. Our role in the project is to teach the teachers in the consortium how to apply PBL in their practice, and also to author a teaching portfolio and some guidelines about that. So we are mainly the PBL advisors.
Our program, Maths, is an important subject and also is the most challenging subject for our students. And this is the motivation why we are participating in this project, so the first motivation. And also we are a very young university, and we are very eager to expand our international cooperation. So this is the second motivation why we are in this project, because it helps us to meet new people and to expand our international cooperation. So there are two impacts that will be from this project.
Our motivation to attend this project is that we would like to give our experience we have, especially in the field of online teaching and learning analytics, to these partners or as part of this project. But we also would like to learn from the other one to get new methods to that we can integrate in our daily working, especially to develop better teaching competence for teachers.
We as a nation and as an institution, we face a big problem in the higher education, because more than 70% of our students, especially in the STEM fields, they either never graduate or it takes more than 6 years for them to succeed in college. A big reason for that is that students fail to pass some of the fundamental courses like math. On the other hand, iTEM will develop a methodology which is a technology aided to support students and to create an environment where it's characterized with interactivity and also with problem-based learning. Our role in the project is initially to serve as a test institution where this methodology will be piloted and then implemented, and we will also gather or identify the indicators and the data that need to be collected in order to identify who are the students that are at risk of dropping out or at risk at failing math courses.
Our motivation for participation in this project is the fact that we face slow throughput and low throughput of students through our math courses, and we would like to apply the results of this project to increase the throughput of students through those courses. We would like to increase the quality of education at our faculty by applying new aspects, new approaches of teaching mathematics to our young students. Our role in this project is to serve as a test institution to the new approaches we develop here. We would also apply some artificial intelligence approaches to make a prediction tool on how to detect students early on when they are about to fail, and to try to help them overcome the obstacles and the challenges of passing math exams at the faculty. Also, we are going to develop tools to study math.
We are here as a representative of a leading university in Uzbekistan, and we think that The motivation to participate in this project is proved by the technical background of students who come to get knowledge in our university. They said that mathematics is the queen of sciences. In this case, the role of the project is also very ambitious and somehow challenging at the same time. We want to see how the teaching methods to be improved and curricula to be updated can affect for further understanding the overall technical things student could grasp, and of course to widen their knowledge, to see more in their future profession as well, in employment rate, to be more self-confident.
Our main motivation to be this project is simply because we would love to improve not only the teaching methods but also the passing rates for our students in calculus and linear algebra. This is a major problem which all universities have. We will share from our experience in organizing highly interactive events where mathematics meets industry, where mathematics teachers and students will attack challenging problems coming from the industry in this project.
We hope that at the end of the project we can offer to all the community of professors of mathematics, but also in science, a good experience and the pilot projects that show that the innovation of teaching mathematics on calculus, linear algebra and engineering has new point of view, new proposal that reduce the rates of fails and increase the interest for the subjects.
In TI of Crete, the main problem we have with our students are the very low success in mathematics courses. So we hope using the new material, the new methods of education, this rate will grow up.
I hope that at the project we have less failure rate of the students because of the mathematics, and that get better prepared to use the mathematics in the projects and work in computer science.
We hope that this kind of project will help engage students with mathematics, help them succeed, will reduce the failure rates, first of all in mathematical studies, but also in general. And what we also hope, it's not only to retain students, but also that students will be more engaged and more professional in their mathematical knowledge, so that they will be able to succeed later in their professional careers.
This project will be very interesting for us because first of all we make a huge network with different institutions and new collaborations, and also it's a very nice experiment to see the outcome about how PBL was applied and how the students adapted and the teachers adapted their courses to PBL, and how students changed maybe their learning according to the philosophy. And we are also very interesting to see how mathematics teaching could be improved with this project, because it's also very interesting for us as a media technology department, where also mathematics is taught to actually non-engineering per se or non-mathematical students.
Our role is as a testing institution, and we believe that we will succeed to implement the testing and this new methodology towards our students.
What do we expect from this project? We would like to develop especially our online teaching course in health information management, that we can learn from results, that we can use, of course, tools to to predict students that they have the risk to fall behind.
We are hopeful that iTEM will help us to improve teaching and learning at our institution, but also will help as an institution to increase the success indicators for the institutional outcomes.
I expect that this project will enhance the way we teach math at our university, so that we increase the grades and the throughput of students through the math courses, which are fundamental when studying computer science and engineering. And we hope that these deliverables and results that come out of this project will be applicable in other faculties and universities in our country and throughout the region.
We expect from the project that the methodology to be proposed from partner countries. We would see how that methodology could increase the collaboration between the solid knowledge or fundamental knowledge we give to the students and the poor technical skills for their future.
The main impact this project would have on our institution is it simply allows us to become much more international than we are. We will benefit from a huge interactive consortium, and this puts us on the European map.